And guys, as you can see, scripts are aided successfully. So hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Blox Fruits scripts for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online. Guys, so let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called apploop.com, and up here you have scripts. Okay, click there and click on Blox Fruits and you will find the online tool. Okay, and now we'll have to enter our username or ID. So if you don't know how to copy your user ID, just click here and you will find instruction on. Let me just show you. Okay, go to your profile or Roblox browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press connecting to account. Okay, as you can see it is connected. And do you have Delta executor? No. Import new? Yes. Select script. Okay, I will select these 5 scripts. Press continue, guys, and let's see. Let's see the next step. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, to support this channel. I record more of this, so let's see. AP connected, nice. Scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps for complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher of the app. Or download it, complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the boot check. Blox Fruits is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game. Okay, and let's see, does it actually work? So let me play my game. Okay, let me click here. Okay guys, so let me show you. I'm now in the game. Okay, and we have this panel. Okay, just click here on home button, and as you can see we have all scripts are aided, and just click. I will execute this initius. Okay, let me click execute. And guys, as you can see, scripts are aided successfully. So look at this. I have these fruits, stats, farming. This is amazing, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.